In this video, I'm going to be going through 5 ways that you can make money easily with Facebook. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video today here on the channel. As mentioned in this one, I'm going to be going through 5 ways and give you 5 business ideas for you to start making money today using Facebook. Now, just before we jump into that, if you are new around here, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. I'm coming out with 100% free business, entrepreneurship, self-improvement content every single day. So it'd be awesome for you to become part of the community. If you do have any questions about anything that we cover today or anything else business entrepreneurship related, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I reply to all of my comments personally. So if you need help with anything, be sure to do that. Now, just so you know, these methods that I'm going to be showing you today range from really easy to start, you can make money today, for beginners, some of which are more high income skills that you're going to need to learn over time. But either way, there's something here for everybody, and these are proven methods of which you can make money online. So without further ado, let's jump into method number 1. So the first way that you can make money using Facebook is by becoming a community or reputation manager for businesses. Now, the great thing about this is you can do this completely online, 100% from your own bedroom, from your home office, from coffee shops. As long as you have a laptop or a mobile phone, a PC and an internet connection, you can offer this as a service to businesses. And for those of you that don't know what community and reputation management is, it is literally just replying to comments, handling the DMs, handling the messages that come into social media pages of businesses or entrepreneurs or influencers. Now, what you got to understand is there are obviously millions and millions of businesses online, a lot of which use Facebook as one of their primary ways to generate sales and leads and customers for their business. Now, while this is great, this also means that a lot of the time they're going to get a ton of inquiries, right? They're going to get a load of people message them, lots of people commenting on posts, they're going to lots of people DMing them, private messaging them, asking for questions about the company, and that's where a reputation manager and a community manager comes in to reply to the community, to keep that reputation solid by, again, deleting any hate comments, replying to the nice ones, answering questions. Now, for somebody just starting out, this is a really simple and easy business model, because as long as you know how to reply to a Facebook comment on a post, and as long as you know how to reply to a Facebook message inside of Messenger, you can offer this as a service today. Now, what's great about this service is you could charge easily anywhere from $10 up to $50 an hour for this service. So method number 2 is Facebook advertising. Now, Facebook advertising is a high income skill. This isn't necessarily something that you're going to be able to learn overnight, immediately, today. But if you can learn to master this skill, if you purchase online training programs, if you watch YouTube videos, go through the Facebook blueprint and learn Facebook advertising, you can offer that as a service to business owners. And what's great about this service is because it is a revenue generating service for businesses, meaning that you run ads for them and generate them sales, generate them customers, you can charge really large fees in return for that. To give you an example, I run a Facebook ads agency myself, and my retainers range anywhere from $1,000 up to $5,000 per month per client. So you can see, even with just one client, maybe 2 clients, you can have a full-time income and be working on your own terms, living a life of freedom. Now, unlike community and reputation management, it is going to take a bit more effort because you're going to have to learn the skill and you are really going to have to master it to stand out and charge high retainers. But if you can take yourself a couple of weeks, a month to really learn this skill and practice it, you could be earning thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars a month in a very short period of time. So as mentioned, all this would entail is you simply run the Facebook advertising for businesses. This could be small businesses, medium businesses, large businesses, it doesn't matter. Every business out there is looking to generate more sales and get more customers. And what's even better than that is social media is by far the fastest growing thing right now, the fastest growing marketing platform currently right now. Facebook advertising is amazing. businesses are looking for it, and you could be there to offer it to them. Number 3, very, very simple, very easy way to make money. Now, this isn't something that's going to make you a millionaire, most likely, but it is a really easy and quick way to get some cash, and that is utilizing Facebook Marketplace. Now, if you don't know what Facebook Marketplace is, it's basically the equivalent of Gumtree and Craigslist, right? Where you can put things up for sale. So let's say I'm having a clear out of my house. There's a ton of things that I haven't used, old cameras, I've got old video games, I've got DVDs. You can then put those for sale up on Facebook Marketplace and people will buy them from you. You know, so I live near Birmingham in the UK, so I could go onto Facebook Marketplace, advertise that I'm selling all of this stuff in Birmingham for collection only. People can then come and collect it from me. So again, that is a very, very easy way for you to make some quick cash around your house. I guarantee you're not going to make hundreds of thousands, probably not millions of dollars doing this, but if you're looking for a quick $500, $1,000, $2,000, I guarantee in the room you're sitting in watching this right now, there's probably an array of things that you don't need, that you don't use, that you don't touch, that you could sell for hard-earned cash, okay, to then maybe invest into starting a more substantial, predictable income kind of business. Now, the 4th method here for you to make money using Facebook is by building a niche Facebook group and then selling things to the audience of that group. And if you go onto Facebook, you might have joined a ton of groups yourself. If not, if you just go onto the search bar at the top, type in groups and type in anything. You could type in fishing, you could type in survival, you could type in social media marketing, you could type in entrepreneurship, you could type in affiliate marketing, you could type in gardening, and you're gonna get a ton, I mean hundreds if not thousands and thousands of groups come up within those niches. Now, what's great about these groups is most of the time they're completely free to join. But what's amazing about these groups is the people who own the groups, especially the larger ones, are making an absolute killing selling niche-related products to that audience. So to give you an example right now, let's say you started a Facebook group in the gardening industry, okay? You built it up, you started posting daily content, 2-3 times a day in there, blog posts about gardening, content about gardening, and you built an audience of people interested in gardening. Now, what happens when you build that to an audience of 1, 2, 5, 10,000 followers inside that group, and then you come out with your own gardening e-commerce store, or you then sell somebody else's products, as this is called affiliate marketing, where you sell somebody else's products and take a cut. You could even go onto Amazon.com, you could find maybe a ton of gardening equipment, and you could then link it inside of the group with an Amazon affiliate link and take a commission of that sale. Now, if you do this in the right industry, especially like a business related industry, you can make an absolute killing. I know people who literally make millions of dollars a year selling things through affiliate marketing, their own products inside of these Facebook groups. Now, yes, they do take time to grow. Yes, you will have to learn how to grow a Facebook group. But if you take the time to build a real audience, build a real group in a niche, and by the way, it has to be niche specific, then you can make an absolute killing selling your own products, selling other people's products, and maybe even offering services related to that niche. Now, a big recommendation for you would be this. If you are going to create a group, probably do something that you're passionate about. For me, I'm hugely passionate about entrepreneurship, business, social media marketing, self-improvement. So for me, that kind of group would work perfectly. You know, whereas maybe if you're really passionate about fitness and health, why don't you create a really niche specific Facebook group about the keto diet, a really niche specific Facebook group for veganism and the benefits of maybe even bodybuilding for veganism, okay? And then sell your products and sell other people's products in that industry and make some easy money. And the final way, method number 5 today here, is to offer social media management services to businesses. Now, if you don't know what social media management is, it kind of does what it says in the title, does what it says on the tin, and that is where you manage social media pages, again, for businesses. And what's great about this and why it's such an easy way for you to make money with Facebook is that 50% of businesses aren't using social media properly, if at all, okay? And as you know, everybody is always constantly on their mobile phone. Everybody is taking over the world. And if businesses do not have social media presences in this day and age, they are basically dead. They basically don't exist. It's such a fantastic way to build an audience, to stay top of mind and generate customers for their business. So what you can do, because a lot of the time these business owners, especially some of the older ones, more traditional business owners, they don't have the time to use social media, B, they just don't understand it, and C, they really, in all honesty, don't have any plan to understand it, which is why they are looking to find people to manage and fully take over their social media presence. And all this entails is simple. It's making posts and posting content on the social media pages for those clients, and maybe a little bit of growth, okay? But it is as simple as that. And for this, you could charge easily anywhere from $300 up to $1,000 per month to simply manage and run these social media pages, depending on the size of the business, on how many accounts that you're running. And the best thing about this business model, it is so simple to start. You literally get paid every single month on a retainer to post on social media. Like, it really does not get much easier than this, and it's a fantastic business model, especially for beginners. Now, if you're looking to make the most money, and the biggest high income skill is definitely the Facebook advertising, okay? If you can learn Facebook advertising and offer that to businesses, you know, you can charge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5K plus a month per client. But that is a skill that's going to take you some time to really master. Social media management literally entails posting on social media and maybe a little bit of growth. And I guarantee, even if you're a complete beginner and a complete newbie, you can learn social media management within the space of 1 to 2 hours with a bit of research on YouTube. Even watching my other YouTube videos, you'll be able to learn how to do that, and you can start offering that service to businesses immediately. Awesome then, guys, so I hope you found a ton of value in this video. Please, please, please do not, though, go ahead and be that person that learns these 5 methods and then doesn't go and take action on them, okay? Whatever stage in life you are at right now, I don't care how busy you are, if you're kind of making an excuse that you don't have enough time, then that is purely an excuse. Go and take action, don't be afraid. Dive in head first in the deep end, and you can make money online using Facebook, and you will make this work. Now, if you guys are interested in learning a bit more specifically about the Facebook advertising business model and the social media management business model, I've got my whole YouTube channel that is filled with content about how you can start your own social media management and Facebook advertising business. So you can go ahead and watch a ton of those videos. And if you do want an even more in-depth training, like a full A to Z handheld blueprint of how you can start, scale, sell clients, how to price, how to get results for clients, I do have a training program that's called the Social Media Marketing Academy. That will be linked down below. It's 3 to 4 times cheaper than the average training program, and the results are 10 times the amount of any other social media program on the market. So if you're interested, definitely go and check that out. If you do have any questions for me, drop them in the comment section down below. Go and take action. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.